Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is volume 22 of the daily forex update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do also click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So today is another day. Today was let me say a boring one, because the month of August is not a month that we usually see other months react to. All right. Yes, it's indeed a boring one. The month of August is indeed a boring one. All right. Yes, price action is not really clear so far as this month is concerned. So one attribute that you should have as a trader is flexibility. By having that flexibility attribute, you react to how the market is behaving. All right, you react based on the action of the market, not what you think. You get it? The month of August, is one of those months that you wouldn't have one bias throughout the month. Looking at how the market is reacting, you might sometimes change it and all that. All right, price action or the direction of the market in the month of August is not really strict. It's not that clear. All right, so you need to go according to what you are seeing on the market. And looking at how things are going, I'm a bit skeptical about whatever I intended to do this week. All right, but we'll get into it. All right, we'll get into it. I really have reasons for a bullish sentiment and a reason for a bearish sentiment. Whenever it happens this way, I take it slow and then I wait for clear actions. All right, but let's delve into the economic news calendar to see the news that we have so far as tomorrow, Wednesday, is concerned. So tomorrow, Wednesday, August 16th, 2023, we have inflation rate for GBP. Currently, inflation sits at 7.9%. So they are looking at an inflation number coming out at 6.8. That means there has been a reduction. So we see what will happen so far as this high impact news is concerned. We have employment change year over year for the second quarter. So far as the Eurozone is concerned, we also have employment change for the second quarter, quarter over quarter for the second quarter, as far as the Eurozone is concerned. And we have building permits for the month of July. We have USD FOMC minutes. I've already talked about this in my weekly analysis, so I wouldn't even talk about this again. We also have JPY balance of trade for the month of July. So these are the high impact news you expect to see on the market so far as going into tomorrow, August 16th, 2023 is concerned. So that is just that for the economic news calendar. Let's look at what is happening on the chart. So for the dollar index yesterday in my daily update or the previous daily update, I made you aware that I wouldn't be expecting price to take out this high. I would expect to see price push to the downside. But look at what happened. Yes, we had price pushing to the downside today, but getting to the close of New York or getting to the close of today's trading session, you saw price reversing back to the upside. And so if we should switch to the daily, we still don't have a clear bias. All right, Monday closed bullish, Tuesday a little bit bullish, but it's still bullish. So as it stands now, today's high, the high that was made today, is going to play a very critical role so far as tomorrow being Wednesday is concerned. All right, yes. So if we should go into tomorrow, I would wait to see what will happen. All right, if price takes out this high, all right, if price should take out this high, then definitely we'll see price continue to push to the upside. All right, if it takes out this high, then we see price pushing to the upside. But if price should take out this low, then definitely we'll continue to see the line index push to the downside. All right, that is why I said it is not clear. Price action is not clear. Realize that Monday, Tuesday, we haven't really seen any clear direction for the dollar index. There is no clear direction. All right, I see this as a consolidation. All right, I clearly see this as a consolidation, nothing more, nothing less. All right, yeah, so going into tomorrow, I'll just look at how price will react, because we really haven't had a clear direction of the market Monday, Tuesday. So definitely Wednesday is really going to be a very important day for us. So see what happened on Wednesday. All right, yeah, so that is just that so far as the dollar index is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on GBPUSD. Yeah, so for GBPUSD, we saw price on Monday taking out what Friday's low. It took out Friday's low, took out Thursday's low. So on a normal circumstance, and then again, today's price action took out what yesterday's high. So on a normal circumstance, and of which we've had a swing low right here. So under normal circumstance, I was expecting price to push the upside. So I took a trade here, expecting price to take out what Thursday's high. But I think price moved just 50 pips, and then we saw price reversing back here. So as it stands now, I'm not even in this trade anymore. I closed the trade. All right, I took partials here, and when price got here, I was like, nah, the way things are going, I need to wait, because tomorrow London session there is a high impact news, GBP inflation rate. So that will really give me a clear indication as to where price wants to move to. So I'll be very patient with GBPUSD. Wait for the London session's high impact news. Then definitely I'm going to attack this market during the New York session, because as it stands now, I am not really sure as to where GBPUSD wants to move to. We can have a situation whereby this swing low will be taken out. If this swing low is violated, then definitely we see price continue to push to the downside. We can also have a situation whereby we see price take out this high, all right, the previous day's high. Once this high is being taken, then you'll be sure of what seeing price pushing to the upside. So as it stands now, it's all going to depend on the high impact news that will come out tomorrow for GBP. All right, that is the inflation rate. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see what will happen during the London session tomorrow. All right, yeah. So that is just that for GBP USD. Let's look at what is happening on USDCAD. Yeah, so for USDCAD, I mean it's clear. It's clear on USDCAD that we are really seeing price pushing to the upside as it stands now. All right, because look at this. We had this impulse move to the downside, and prior to this impulse move to the downside, we had an up close. So prior to price pushing to the downside, this was supposed to act as a bearish order block, right? Yes, but as it stands now, that bearish order block has been violated, and we are seeing price pushing to the upside. And so going into tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised to see price continue to push to the upside. It will all depend on how the dollar index is going to react. All right, yeah. So currently, this is what I'm seeing on USDCAD. All right, I'm seeing USDCAD pushing to the upside tomorrow. So wait and see what will happen on USDCAD. Yeah. So that is just that for USDCAD. Let's look at what is happening on GBPJPY. So for GBPJPY, price is looking, it's still bullish. All right, price is still bullish too, but as it stands now, look at what happened today. We had price taking out this high, then you saw price pushing back into the zone. So as it stands now, we are stuck in between today's high and then today's low. So if I should measure just to get my discounts and premium areas, price is at a level of equilibrium. So I can't really speak much for now. If going into tomorrow we see price taking out this high, then definitely we see price continue to what? We see price continue to push to the upside. But if we see price coming all the way down to take out the previous day's low, then definitely see price push to the downside. So I mean, the market is not, things are not really clear at the moment on the market. Things are not so clear, not at all, not at all, not at all. Things are definitely not clear on the market at the moment. So take it slow, all right? Really take it slow. Wait for major event to happen in the market for you to see what price wants to do. All right, see what the price wants to do before you pick a side. All right, yeah. So that is just that for the daily forex update. I know it's a boring one because I mean the month of August itself is a boring month, so you don't really expect much from the market as far as August is concerned. All right, yeah. So that is just that for the daily forex update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do well to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you're going to get notified as soon as possible. The link to my Telegram community too is in the description box below. Click on it and be part of the Clairvoyant Traders Telegram community. My swing trading room is also still open for subscription. Just DM me via Telegram. My ID is in the description box below. DM me and then let me get you sign up, join us, and let's smash it. All right, yes. For last week, we really did massively well, and I'm glad we did, because even if things are really slow for this week and then the next week, as far as this month is concerned, we are good because we took out huge number of pips so far as last week is concerned. All right, yeah. So that is how we do it in the swing trading room. So if you want to join, don't hesitate to. All right, because we really do all. I mean, whatever pips amount of pips that you want, you can just I will just have to give it to you. All right, yeah. So I wish you all good luck and good trade.